to shoot up the middle here. Right there.
Yeah. I was wondering if he got pushed from behind by the 99 of Ben Rose. He did not.
Just closed the door there, Zane.
Yeah.
Came down a bit, and Raja was committed. And that started the melee.
Takes two of the GMS trucks. The 43 of Daniel Dye and the 24 of Raja. Almost got the 23 of Grant. And take a look at Grant there in the yellow and black truck on the inside, right behind De Benedetto and Raja. Is he going to avoid it altogether?
Wow. I thought maybe he got a little. I don't think he got any at all.
I don't either.
That was incredible. Hop on with Daniel Dye again in the 43 truck. See what he sees.
Check up. Outside, hang on to it. We're in.